Welcome to the FMS Travel Authorization tutorial. Today we will discuss how to create a travel authorization. To log into FMS, type in scottsdalecc.edu on the URL bar. Navigate to the Employees tab. On the right hand side you'll see Applications and you can find FMS there. Next you'll put in your MEID and password and this will log you in to the FMS system. Once you are logged into FMS, you will go to the nav bar at the top right. Next, select Navigator, select Employee Self-Service, Travel and Expenses, Travel Authorizations, Create and Modify. Since we have a new travel authorization and not an existing one, we're going to go ahead and select Add. This creates a new form for travel authorizations. First, select a business purpose. Today we're going to select conference. In the description field, here you can just put the title. In the default location, always use the magnifying glass to look up the city it will be held in. From here, go to Advanced Lookup. In the description, change begins with to contains and type the city the conference will be held in. Next, click Lookup. Find the city if there's more than one. If there's not, go ahead and click on the city you're looking for. And this will autofill the default location for you. Next, you will need to fill out the date from and date to. Date from will always be your first day of travel. And date 2 will be the day you return. We're going to add our first line of projected expenses so that we can save this TA for later. In the next video we will add all of our lines for projected expenses. Today our projected expense we're going to list as our registration fee for our conference. So we'll select the date of the conference. Then we will select the expense type. For this one we're using registration. Since this is out of state, we will not be using the in-county. That is only used for in-county registration fees. In the description field, you will need to put the description of this projected expense. So we're going to put registration fee. Next, you will need to say how it is paid. So we're going to be using a Pro card, so you'll need to put Pro card. Additionally, you'll need the last name of the Pro card holder. Under payment type, you have a couple options. Employee reimbursed will be you paying for the fee and then you will be reimbursed later. Next is Maricopa prepaid. This is for Pro card and purchase orders. So we'll be selecting Maricopa prepaid. Next we'll put in the amount for the fee. Be sure to use exact dollar amounts. Next we're going to move to billing type, and this is going to decide what funds it'll be coming out of. We'll be using Professional Growth Classified Staff, or PGCS. Next we'll need to open the accounting details, and you can see most of it is filled out for you. The only one you'll need to worry about is your function. If it is not filled out, you'll need to fill that out. This is the function of your department that you are in. So I am in IT, so I am under institutional support. Once this first line is filled out, we can go to the top and do Save for Later. This will officially create your travel authorization. This will give you a travel authorization ID number. Please note that number as you will need it to come back to later. You'll also notice the status is now pending. Once this is finally submitted, that will be changed to submitted. In our next video, we will discuss your projected expenses and how to fill those out. If you need further assistance, you can reach me, Matthew Emmerich, at the help desk by submitting a ticket online or using the contact info seen here. Thank you. Have a great day.